you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. On this channel, I talk about crochet. I like to talk about the yarns that I buy, the projects that I'm working on, and so I hope you enjoy today's video. I just want to show you, I am on like a crochet along with Terry at Yarn Joy, and we are working on making these characters that she had got hers off, I think maybe Amazon. My daughter had bought this one for me, and I think there's 6 of them there, and then there's 6 of them here. And her thing is to complete one every month, and all 12 of them will be done. Well, for January, it was Rudolph, and so here he is, little bitty tiny thing. Oh, he's so cute. Santa Claus is next, but yeah, that's him. It's only about 3.5 inches tall, I think. Santa Claus is, I think it said 5.5. Anyway, so there's that one, and I just carry all my little stuff that I need in this little bag right here. So, I'll try to leave the link below in case you're interested in buying one of these and joining us. It comes with this real nice book. Real nice. Nice glossy pages, good instructions. So, yeah, just in case you're interested and you would like to follow along, you can go to, I'll leave her channel down below, but it's Yarn Joy. And let's see, the next project that I am working on is Kayla, Llama Mama Kayla. She's doing the loom along, the mystery blanket loom along. And yay, I'm on week 4. I think there might be on week 15, but I'm on week 4, yeah. Going into, I think, week 5. Let's see. Yes, I am going into week 5. Hallelujah. But anyway, this is what I carry for I just have this little bag. There's my loom right there, 12 peg. And then you'll have to have one of these. And then I have a row counter. And then like there's my circle that I'm working on right there. I get to incorporate a new color, I think, for week 5. It's like a yellow-green color. But I'll give you an idea. Here is what I have so far. Yeah. There we go. I don't really know which way it goes. Because I don't know what the picture is yet. I'm just going. But anyway, look how big this is. So I think it's supposed to be like 62 inches. Yeah. And I just got to put those on. But yeah, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am starting week 5. So I'll have another row. And like I said, it's going to have a couple more colors for week 5, or another color rather for week 5. But this really is a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Anyway, so I just kind of carry it around in this little bag and work on it, you know, as I go. And okay, so the other thing that I've been, you know, on my doll clothes, adoringdollclothes.com, if you haven't been there, I design and create patterns for the 18-inch dolls. Well, the one, if you're an email subscriber, the one that I have free is this right here. It's a granny square cocoon cardigan. So, and that pattern is free to my email subscribers. So go to adoringdollclothes.com and sign up for the newsletter. And I also send newsletters out during the month too on different specials and things that I have going on. Every time I release a pattern, I send an email. If I have a sale, like right now there's a Valentine's sale, 20% off. You'll get an email on that, just stuff like that, and just kind of keep people updated. Anyway, so that was my pattern. And I was at Walmart the other day, and I went over there to the My Life dolls, and I thought they were like $24.99 and $28.99, and I think some were even $34. And I thought, well, I'm just going to scan a couple of these to see if they might be marked down, because I had saw this YouTube channel where this guy was saying that that's what he does, because he said sometimes they'll mark it down internally, but the employee hasn't got to go to the actual floor and put a new sticker on it. So it's marked down. And so I do that now that I've seen that video. And sure enough, I went over there and for $5, I got 2 My Life dolls. So, and they're for, you know, for my business here, for, you know, my doll outfits, because I have to take photos of the dolls. I have to have a doll to try the clothes on, you know, all that stuff. So anyway, I was so tickled. So when I show you the 2 dolls I got, they are naked because I take the clothes off and just throw them in a drawer. You know, I don't need the clothes. But yes, so I bought 2 dolls, $5 a piece. I'm so excited over that. And I love the hair on them. They're going to make really good photos when I get them dressed up in the clothes that I make. So I'm pretty excited that I come across that deal. Yeah, just by scanning it. So if you have the Walmart app, and if there's things that you're looking for, just scan them out every now and then. You never know. That's what that guy did, and it worked out for me. Here is my next project that I'm working on for the doll. These are the colors. It's going to be the pink, gray, and white. So that's what I'm working on. And at Walmart, I found this nice $5.97. It's like a hard plastic like this. And I have little project bags that when I'm working on my doll, I'm trying to design it. The dolls are heavy, and so they knock over my project bags. So I found this little tub for $5.97. And when I'm working on a doll outfit, she can just sit in the tub and it doesn't, you know, move it over, knock it over. Okay, so that's all with that. All right, the next thing that I've got going is the season of the granny. I'm so excited about that. I have not made that many granny square things. Matter of fact, that's kind of what this was for. So whenever I do my season of the granny, I'll be showing that because that's my first time doing that. So anyway, the season of the granny, I talked to my daughter. She just learned to crochet. She's only done a half double crochet. And so I've talked her into doing this with me. So we got some yarn that kind of matches. And I was at Joann's and same thing. I had the app. They had no sale price on their, you know, on the racks where the stuff was. No sale price, no coupons for it, nothing. I used my app, scanned it, and you're not going to believe this. They had these. They were $19.99. Learn to crochet. $19.99. I scanned it. It rang up $8. Yes. They had 2 of them, so I grabbed one for my daughter and one for me. Now, I know how to crochet, but for $8, yeah, I wanted this because it came with these hooks. It came with all these patterns back here, and it came with some markers, some little foldable scissors. I mean, yeah. So I bought her one and I bought me one. And these were $7.99. And you guys all know what I'm talking about. They're not cheap. $7.99. My app scanned them at $3.20. I took these babies to the register. And they rang up regular price, like $68 worth of stuff that I had. And I told her, I said, I scanned these and this is what my app showed me. And so she looked at my scan. I mean, we scanned them right there at the register also, you know, so, because I had to prove, I guess, you know. But anyway, yeah, it came up $3.20. So she had to give it to me for that price. Okay, here's the yarn that I am using for my season of the challenge. Granny, right here, the comfy blended. I plan on making something wearable. I'm not gonna say, because if it don't turn out right, I'm gonna have another plan. But I will have something by the March the 18th. So if you're interested in doing the challenge, I will leave a link below for Secret Yarnery Krista. She has a video explaining it. And let's see, I think it may be Glenda. I think that may be who it is. Yeah. those two channels. I think are doing this. And everybody else. So, okay. And when I got to the register, I ride bikes. So, or at least a 3-wheel bike. And they had these bags. Now I had to pay full price. I did have a coupon for it, but I was so busy dealing with the lady, you know, getting my app price that I forgot to mention to her that I have coupons to get this half price. But it was only $1.99, I think. So not that big of a deal. But anyway, I've got me this one, and this is going to be the one that I keep my Granny Challenge in project that I'm working on. But they also had these little small ones right here to go with it. Has little bikes on them. Just too cute. So I bought me those two. And let's get my thumb out of this. Okay. So at the register, I thought, well, since my daughter's doing this with me, I might surprise her with the bag too, project bag. So she loves dogs. So I found this one for her. And her little matching bag is so cute. I love the handle on this one. Right here. Has the little dogs all over it. I love that little handle. The color on it. It's prettier than the pink. But anyway, they kind of go together. So I got that for her. And her color of yarn that she's using is the same company. Let's see. Hers is Chai Latte. This is her color. I guess I'll show you mine. I forgot to show you my color. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is her color. And we're both going with this. We don't know how much we need because we don't know how big we're going to make our granny square. So it's just use this up, see what we get before we go purchase another one. So this is what we've got. And then I purchased her a little one of these tape measures. And then like I said, I got her the same thing, $8. And I got her first row counter. So she's got that. She's coming over today, and I'm going to get her started on it. And let's go back to my color real quick. I forgot to tell you what color I'm actually using. The reason I'm going with this yarn is because it seems like it would probably drape good. A lot of granny squares seem to be kind of thick feeling, and I don't want that. I want something that's drapey. So we picked this out. 392 yards. It's called Driftwood. But here's my color. It is very pretty, isn't it? So that's going to be my Granny, Season of the Granny. It's going to be this one right here. Okay. I believe that's all. I do have an order coming in from... Who did I order from? Oh, for the very first time, I ordered from Mary Maxim. Yay! I got that coming in. I still need to go to dealgenius.com. They had some of this yarn, $3 a piece. I had bought this from dealgenius.com at a really good price. Well, now they got it again. I'll leave the link below. And they got these for $3 a piece. And shipping, I think, is $5. But if you order $29 worth of stuff, you get free shipping. Okay, so I'll leave the link below if you want to purchase this. I saw that they had them for $3 a piece. And so I plan on buying some taupe color and some baby blue to go with this. But yeah. Okay, that's, oh yeah, dealgenius.com, Mary Maxim, and I know I placed an order somewhere else, some more yarn. It's either Hirschner's or Premier would probably be it. I don't know. But anyway, when they come in, I will do a video on those and show off my new yarns and my new my good deals that I got, and I will let you know what I plan on making with them. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tap the bell. Thank you very much. Bye.